I'm Luke. I was just having a look at the building site for the proposed visitor centre. They were clearing the scrub to establish whether it's a viable site to build the visitor centre in terms of how far away it is from the cliff. Yeah, after the sort of preparatory clearing we did, the site looks totally viable, needs a bit of flattening, that's all, and it should be ready to build on.
My name is Alex Katana. I'm working with the Bore CCL group. You people from Wales, you really help us.
Yeah, it was really great to work with the local guys and have people coming over from the UK, from Wales to help out, and everyone's working together, clearing the scrub, and yeah, it was a good day.
We really want to build this visitor center so that we make this project successfully.